everyone. We are from Team Divergence, and we have made Nifty Analyzer, in which is basically a simplified version of any stock reviewing app. The main idea of our hackathon is to simplify stock market. So anyone, even a beginner who has not any experience or who is illiterate in stock market world, can easily invest with lump sum amount of money, even a small amount of money. So this is our first landing page in which it's asked for the amount you want to invest. So let's suppose we want to invest 10,000 rupees from starting. Then it will ask what is your risk tolerance, medium, high, low. We'll go with medium. Then it will ask for investment duration. We'll go for 1 year. Then we'll ask for get personalized recommendations. After clicking on this, we'll get recommendations of which stocks we can hold, buy or sell. This is a sector performance bar which contains all the sectors telling its performance in market. If you scroll down, you'll see top gainers and top losers, and it will tell all the percentages and what do you have to do now. Like this, here it is written: consider selling, hold for now, and we also hold for now. If you want to save this, its chart, then we have to click on it. We'll get all, not all, maximum details which investor requires. So, and we'll also show the reasons why we are recommending to hold or buy or sell. Like PB ratio is on the higher side, so hold 50%. Good dividend yield. This is our basic idea. Additionally, we have two more options, which are stock screener and my watch list. In stock screeners, we'll get uh, 50 stocks, which wherever we want to buy or sell. This is the page. PE ratio is very high. Stock might be overfueled. PB ratio is in higher side. My watch list.